Okay, we got a United and a FedEx coming through. United is coming from LAX and going to Chicago, and then FedEx probably going to Memphis. They must have a hub there. Yep, Memphis. So FedEx, and only seen one jet this morning, and it was leaving a slight trail, but all the other ones that are coming through, no trail. So I don't expect this United or FedEx to be leaving a trail. But, oh wait, I spoke too soon. It is leaving a trail, one of the shorter ones. That's not a contrail. That is a chemtrail also, even those shorter ones. So they're beginning to seed the valley again. So they'll probably be thicker spraying through the week. And I don't see that United. It was out a little bit in front of it, and it wasn't leaving a trail. So again, that just proves that it doesn't have, it's not atmospheric conditions. There are aerosols that they turn off and on. That's leaving a pretty good trail, but not sticking. But that's not a vapor contrail. It's not water vapor and ice crystals. That is aerosol. Big time. Because I see those things turning off and on and sputtering all the time too. So, there you go. FedEx chemtrailing. And then we got the, oh, there's another one. I wonder which one this was. Right by the lid there. Look at that. He's buzzing along. And again, note how this one's not leaving a trail. I'm not sure what that one is. I don't think it's the United. But again, those jets are flying really close to the same altitude. I can pull it up and look. But no trail from that one. That's full zoom right there. Sorry for the shake, but it's hard. Okay, I lost it. He's up pretty high. FedEx might have been a little lower. And I can hear another one up there. Or maybe that's the one I hear. Sound takes a while to travel. Well, there you go. There's the moon out, going through its phases. And we have the sun out, rising at the same time. It's up. And it's bright. What's this guy yelling at? Some homeless guy. Yes. The riffraff here in the collecting his booty for the day, I guess. Another guy down here going through the trash. He's a little more upscale. He's got his golf cart. Well, that guy's obviously not right. Yeah, poor people. Just trying to survive, I guess. Could be me. There go I, if not for the grace of God. So that's it. Oh, here's another one going through. That's a Delta right there. And he's whipping along. Let's see if I can grab him. That's hard to... I lost him. And he's right there. Camera probably won't focus in, but I can see the blue bottom. Anyways, Delta Jet going through. So there's FedEx spraying, and then those other two that came behind it, not leaving a trail. So absolute proof that the shorter trails are aerosols. Okay, also, there's that Delta that just came whizzing through Orange County. It's kind of taking a weird route. And then right behind it is FedEx. Let's look at this FedEx. The FedEx, oh, that one's going to Indianapolis. And there it is right there. Check it out. And that one, leaving no trail. So, again, two identical jets, both FedEx, one leaving a trail, and one not leaving a trail. I'll try to steady my camera better. Yeah. And there you go. No trail from that FedEx whatsoever. So the only one that was spraying was the one that was heading to Memphis. I lost it. But there it goes. No trail whatsoever. Documenting how some of the jets have their aerosols on and some don't. And some days they're leaving real thick trails. Some days they're just leaving seeding the atmosphere. And then as that begins to stick, they will come through and really turn up the aerosols. Obviously they can turn up and down the volume of them. Not only just turn them off and on, but turn up and down the volume. And they do spray different mixtures, I'm sure, because a lot of times they're different colors. So it's all part of the geoengineering, so I expect them to be spraying through the week here, and it's really cool. It's actually a really nice day today. It was like 68 degrees this morning. Nice little breeze came through yesterday. Late in the afternoon, cooled off, and now it's down to 68 degrees this morning. A nice cool breeze, pretty dry. Oh, these guys are helping each other out. The recyclers. Oh, he gave him a bunch of stuff. It's working together. Okay, here's another FedEx coming through. Again, LAX to Memphis. And this one is leaving a trail like the other one. Let's see if I can zero in on it here. That one's a little shorter than the other one that came through, but again, it's a chemtrail, aerosol, whatever you want to call it. geoengineering. And that one's only leaving 2 trails. The other one was leaving 3, so I don't know. Must be a different jet. I can't hold my camera steady enough to grab its tail. See if there's an engine on the tail. That other one had 3 engines, but they make it look like you know, it's coming from the engines, which they're not. They're not stupid about how they go about all this. If it's a 2-engine plane, they leave 2 trails. If it's a 3-engine plane, they leave 3 trails. If it's a 747, they'll leave 4 trails. I can't tell, but anyways. There you go. So, some jets coming through, leaving the shorter trails, and other jets coming through, leaving no trails. Okay, this UPS just came through, and it wasn't even leaving a short trail, and they were spraying all the time, so this one didn't have it on. But there it is, and it's too far east, but it wasn't leaving a trail. I saw it. I wanted to pull it up on flight radar first, but no trail from that one. If it was leaving the trail, I would still be able to see it right now. So again, some jets coming through spraying, and other jets not spraying. That UPS was not spraying. And something interesting too, I pulled up that one FedEx that was only leaving 2 trails, and it had 3 engines. I got to double check it again. It was a McDonnell Douglas. So, why would 2 engines be leaving a trail, and the 3rd tail engine was not? But the other FedEx that came through, I think it was the same model of jet, and it was leaving 3 trails. So, I guess the tail aerosol on that last one was not functioning properly.